Hello students, good day. Many of you are preparing for your 12th examinations. Because of COVID situation, most of the exams have been postponed in many of the states. I don't know. Most of them should end by May end or June first week maximum. So I wish you all the very best for your examinations. My name is Sangamesh. I'm one of the director at CHAMPS CA Academy at Hyderabad. CHAMPS has been here since last 8 years, standing strong, grooming students in their chartered accountancy career. And also one thing you should know, that we are an academy who only take limited number of students based upon a student interview as well. And we are the academy, I can say, we don't go by advertising, mass communication, just filling up the classrooms. No. We believe quality is more important than quantity when it comes to education. So the agenda for making this video is, since we all see now the situation of COVID is still evolving in India, many people are restricted to their homes, which is good one way. Being students, you should also be safe staying at home. So I thought to communicate with you for the upcoming things and all, what it is going to be. Since you are all in 12th standard now, it's the most crucial point in your career when it comes to the education front. Many people are thinking what to do, should I do this, should I do that, where to go, what to study. 100 things will come in mind, but this video is particularly made for the students who are thinking of joining chartered accountancy and taking CA as their career. Before we start with the video, I'd like to be very clear that here we are going to talk on multiple aspects. The main thing being how the path, the entire path from start to end in CA education looks like. What are the various stages in that? In which stage we are going to start. I would request each and everyone, let it be a student or a parent, this informative video is totally useful if you watch it completely. The agenda here is to explain each and every aspect of this career, what you're going to choose. If you have the right information, then only you can choose a right path. If you are half informed, the decision can also be a like half willingly taken decision, which is not correct also, right? When it comes to education, you should be thorough in what you are going to do, because it is going to decide the future trajectory of your life. Having said that, let us begin with the session, or whatever you call it. I don't call it as a session, but whatever. Let us say, per se, if you are watching this video, if you have received this video, definitely some point in time the thought has crossed in your mind that yes, I should pursue chartered accountancy, and you might have inquired with us. So that is why you are receiving this video. So I would say, ultimately, you people have decided to make chartered accountancy as your goal to achieve. Great, many people have many goals, but we should also think, is this goal a realistic one? Am I going to work and try hard for whatever is required to reach till here? It's not about, okay, my goal, whenever it is possible I will reach, who cares? No, that is not the goal. So I say, very specifically, 4.5 years is the journey time, I can say. So when I say 4.5 years, what do you think? Is it minimum or maximum? Minimum or maximum? It is minimum. It is a must. Then the question comes, what is the maximum timeline we can have to complete our chartered accountancy course, sir? I would say infinity. Who knows? If you don't pass, if you don't work properly, if you don't put in a hard effort, who is going to tell? when are you going to pass? So I trust we all should belong into this category and put in our efforts towards it. Okay, this is the ultimate goal what we have set, but from where we have to begin? We have to begin with a course or examination called as CA Foundation. I will be using some acronyms, so don't worry. This is Foundation. Okay sir, what is the next step then? Okay, then I will say the next step is CA Intermediate. Okay, next question, what next? Then you have to get into articles. Great. Then what? Then you have to get into CA. So these are the various stages of the course. But one thing we should understand here, students as well as parents, I would appeal you to understand the what I can say, the character of this course. What is the composition? See, most of the education what we have been dealing now is time based because first standard, second standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, all 1 year course. But here when it comes to chartered accountancy, it is a task based thing. Means what? A target is given, achieve it, go further. Like for example, foundation is the target given. Achieved it, fantastic, move to the next target. Achieved that, move to the next target. Sir, what if I don't achieve? So silly question. If you don't achieve, stay there only. So rather you can say, I can relate it to you because most of you might or might not be playing video games on your phone. Let us say for example, take any game which has multiple levels. I will call level 1 game, level 2 game, level 3 game, level 4, level 5. If you achieve everything in time, the set target in time, and completed that level in that specified time, you are a winner. You will be moved to the next level. Simple. Great. Let's see now. Okay, foundation. The first question should come to your mind is, why I am joining foundation? Do you have the answer for that? Ask this question to yourself. Why I am joining foundation? No sir, I like foundation. That is foolish. What is there to like or dislike in that? It is a study. I would say you should join foundation. You should join foundation if and if your only first intention is to get into CA Intermediate. If your first target is CA Intermediate, then only you should join foundation. Per se, like I would say, foundation, let us say, is like a bus. Very fantastic bus, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, you can say. Very comfortable, with all amenities, fantastic things, video, TV, game, whatever it is. You are just going on the road and saw that bus. You liked the bus very much. You are so excited that I should get into this bus somehow. Okay, you had money. You bought the ticket. Then what happened? You saw there are 2 friends already in the bus. Then you totally forgot why you are getting into this bus, where this bus is going, when that bus will reach. There are many people, I would say 90% of the people are doing that mistake. Without asking, they are getting in. Without knowing, they are getting in. 10% people are thinking, asking where, when, how, what, whatever it is. Then getting into the bus. Because they are aware that the first bus stop is CA Inter. So these 10% people are very much aware that this is a bus stop. You should understand that. In that again, 90% people forget that this is a bus stop. And they sleep there only. They will not go home at all. They will not catch the next bus. Tell me whom I am talking about. I am talking about those people who pass foundation. Somehow, yes, definitely they have worked. But here, they will forget their goal. They will fail in CA Inter. Again, I would say only 10% people will catch the next bus and land in the next bus stop. The name is Articles. But this bus stop is very funny bus stop. You should understand about it first. Because for staying in this bus stop will pay you money. Understood? Stipend, some kind of remuneration will come to you. And again out of this, 90% people start feeling, yes, I achieved already, I am getting money, 5,000, 10,000, they're happy in that only. I don't know how to explain them. But again, 10% people are very clever. They still remember it is a bus stop. They catch the next bus, then go to the last bus stop, which is called as CA final, also a bus stop. Why? Again, 90% people sleep here, 10% only are awake. Catching the next bus, they go to the final destination. You see that now? This is how the traveling is happening. Understood? Clear? So now, how much time will it take, sir, to reach all these places? Good question. Let us say, you all are writing your 10+2 exams in 2021. Let it be whatever month. I am not talking about month. But your eligibility for perfectly writing CA Foundation examination is November 21. Okay, let me bring in one more point. Some people have come to me, they call me, they talk, sir, I want to write in May, June itself, sir, I want. See boss, you want is good, but can you? You are writing your intermediate 10+2 exams in the month of April, May, whatever it is. So in 1 month you will study foundation, you will become perfect and go to exam. Then I will put you into this category. Sir, because bus is there, sir, I want to go and sit in the bus. Go and sit in the bus, what happens? Nothing happens. So please, this particular batch people who are yet to appear in CA, in the 10+2 exams, forget about the May attempt or June attempt, whatever attempt you call. Our attempt should be what? November 21. Okay, sir, I passed foundation. Then you will have exam to exam, 1 year gap. So my next exam will be, so okay, 2-3 months will go in waiting for the results and all. I'm not talking about that. I'm just telling, first exam in November 21, next exam immediately after 1 year in November 22. That is the enter. Sir, I passed the enter also. Fantastic. Then you should go and get into what? Articles for. Sir, what is articles? I have not heard it before. Somebody is selling something, somebody is selling something. Let me tell you. You are joining a course called as CA. CA means everybody knows. What does they know? Chartered Accountancy. But let me give a new meaning to that. C here, my friends, is concepts. A here, my friends, is application. Concepts plus application is Chartered Accountancy. What is happening with your education life till now? It's not your fault. That is how the society has been. That is what is imposed on you. The examination or the studying pattern now is BEM. Books, exam, marks. So just recollect, whenever the results come, oh, all the relatives, friends, this neighbor, that neighbor, asking same question. How much? How much? How much? How much in accounts? How much in maths? How much in economics? Done deal, finished. Array, you got 95. My girl got 99. That nonsense. What is that they are proving? Nothing. Forget about it. Forget about all the marks, all the grade. Nothing is going to change. CA requires 2 things only. 2 things. Dedication, commitment. If you have that in you, most welcome. No sir, I don't have. Not welcome. Don't come. That is how we should think. So first of all, break this. In CA, nobody will ask your marks. In CA, they will ask you only one question, one and only one question. Did you qualify or not? Yes, sir, I qualified. I got 3. I'm not asking about marks. You already qualified, right? You crossed the line. Thank you so much. Start. So, application is articles, concept is CA exam. Whatever you are going to learn in the books here will be directly applied into the real world. You are responsible for the work, what you will do in that audit firm or a big four or a company, whatever it is, you are responsible. See, that you don't have still now. You are just sitting at home, writing exam, I got marks, done deal. So, we have to become more serious. So, add 3 years to this. And we are talking what? November 25. So now you tell me who in the world will know what is going to happen in November 25? Did anybody know what would have happened in 2020? Has gone to dogs, has become zero totally. So I don't suggest you to sit and dream. One day, 25, 26, I will become CA. Not required. Not required. Our agenda has to be set very perfectly now if we have to proceed in a very planned manner. So I will not talk about CA final and our articles and all, not our business today. Clear? Our business for the day is CA Inter should be your goal. Recollect what I told just now. If your goal is CA Inter, then enter into foundation. That decision has to be taken now before entering into the foundation by paying 9,600 to ICI, filling a registration form. Oh, I am doing CA, I am doing CA. There is nothing called doing CA. Are you learning properly or not? That should be the only point. Why I am telling that? Till you reach here, beyond CA Inter, the value what we carry is 0. No value there, you are just a 10 plus 2 student. That's how it is. Foundation is not a qualification. You pass CA Inter, get me this certificate, then I tell, done deal. You are doing fantastic. Go now, you have become independent. You are earning your own money. You are not dependent on your parents anymore. If you are going to articles, they'll give a stipend. Stipend based on your knowledge. They're not like standing in a tray holding, please come sir, I'll give you stipend. No, you will be interviewed and then taken based on your capability. You will get the stipend. Am I clear? Understood? Good. Some people say, no sir, I want to earn some money, I want to do job. Fantastic, go. That option is also there. You are already a semi-qualified professional. See, what I am trying to emphasize here, my friends, 6 months of foundation learning, 1 year of CA Inter learning. I am telling 1.5 years you are becoming independent. You can survive on your own anywhere in the world. Take it from me. If you have that dedication for this 1.5 years. Sir, I am a bit slow learner. What can I do? Take another 6 months, Baba. I am giving you 2 years. Take it. Get me the certificate. Anyways, we'll do BCom along with that. So, planning is everything. Execution is even more important. No, sir, I made 25 plans but slept. Who will help you? Nobody will help you. Right? It's not only the start matters, end also matters. So that is why a great person told once, by being serious or as serious in the end, like beginning, you will never fail. See, that is what I say. Very seriously you started foundation. That serious started dipping, going down. And Inter. So Inter I was very serious still. Again started dipping. So, by being as careful as in the beginning till the end, you cannot fail. You understand my point? By being careful in the end as in the beginning. By being careful in the end as in the beginning, you are going to succeed. Great. So now we have set our goal. We have to work towards that now. So what is that first thing we need to know here? Foundation. Okay, let us now understand and ask a question. Whenever I say foundation, forget about CA, don't think about CA. If I ask you, what is foundation? What comes to your mind? Think for a second, think for 10-15 seconds. What is foundation? Various answers are coming in mind. Beginning, base, something new. Very good. Foundation is something you plan so that you can construct something bigger. For example, let us take a building. You might have seen tall buildings, high-rise buildings. You see a nice building, but have you seen what has gone inside the earth to hold this building and make this strong? That is very important, my friends. The strongest the foundation you lay, The strongest the foundation is, CA interview will be built on that, articles will be built on that, CA final will be built on that. That is the very crux of the whole course. Understand that? That seriousness has to be seen every day in and out. Am I clear? So good. So now let us talk about foundation. Foundation is a 400 marks exam. So it has first paper as accounts. You might be already studying, some people, if you are from the commerce background. Second paper is law plus business, correspondence and reporting. Oh, fantastic, fancy name. But actually we are learning English. So don't complicate the things. Paper number 3, quantitative aptitude. Maths. Oh, I don't know maths. See, some people already getting that feeling. No need to worry on that. We should have a plan for everything, and we have a plan for everything. No need to plan. So I did not take mathematics at all in my CBSE 12th. What should I do? Do you have the courage to fight, or you are just like running away from things? Don't worry on that. We will talk. Statistics, logical reasoning. Paper number 4, economics plus business and commercial knowledge. So these are the 4 papers which ICI has set and told you pass these, then I will give you the ticket. Okay, great. How is the marks distribution? 100, 60, 40, 40, 40, 20, 60, 40. All put together 400 marks. Very good. So now let us understand the anatomy of this foundation. What is there inside? How to follow it? How to crack it? So 2 words I will give you. Why and how. Let us say these options are put on the table in front of you. Why and how, 2 things are put. Which one you will choose? Which one you will choose is the question. Okay, some people might have chosen why, some people might have chosen how. Let me tell you one thing here. Everything begins with why. Why I am joining foundation, why I am joining CHAMS, why should I go there, why should I not go to another place? That is the question you need to get an answer for, my friends. Remaining apart, how to go, how to do, how to join CA. See, Google can also answer. But your intrinsic point will come only with why. Why you want to join this course. Do you have an answer? That is a great thing you can do. Right? That's how it is. So, now let me apply these things here. The top cross section of these subjects, I call them as why subjects. Means why. Means your brain has to work continuously so that you get answers for that. Otherwise you don't get. So now, coming to the next thing. I call these subjects as how subjects. Means how requires memory. Why also is required, but not in the major component, major thing. But the major thing is how. Why I am telling how? How to remember law. How to remember English. How to remember economics graphs. How to remember ECK information. See, lot of things are only applied by how. Got my point? So now, another analysis. These 2 vertical cross section are descriptive examinations. Accountancy, law and BCR are descriptive exams. What do you mean by descriptive? Writing. Answer the following questions. Description, presentation, right? And this exam is for 3 hours and 100 marks. These 2 things, they are multiple choice questions. Means what? One question is given, 4 answers are given. Only one answer is correct. All 3 are wrong. Oh, this is very easy, sir. That is the biggest trap. MCQ exams are the most toughest ones because all the answers will look like same. Whereas in descriptive exam, at least you write 3 paragraphs, some mistakes are there, at least you will get marks there. So you have to be very careful here. 2 hours examination, 100 marks again. Clear? Very good. So now, if you see very clearly, I will call this descriptive examinations as a game of football. I will call MCQ examination as a game of cricket. Why is that? Yes, here you need endurance, play, and make some goals. Here you have to get a run every ball. Keep on playing, correct the run. Keep on playing, correct the run. That is how it is. So the target here is input decides the output. But everybody talks about output, forget about input. Output. Input. 90 marks input I have given. Should I pass or fail? If I have really put in my effort and written 90 marks examination, I should pass. No doubt. Here, you cannot apply the same thing here. Why? The negative marking will come into picture. There will be fine for making mistakes. One correct answer I have given 1 mark. One wrong answer I have given 0 mark. Means I lost 1 mark. Since you did a mistake, I will put a penalty of 0.25. So now, think and tell me, for doing 1 mistake, how many marks you are losing? 0.25? Many people are getting that thought in mind. Wrong. You are losing 1.25 marks. Why? Already 1 is gone here. So we have to be very, very, very careful in learning how to approach. We will teach you a 3-layered approach for MCQ examinations where you can think and answer most of them correctly. Am I clear on this? So we talked about what subjects are there, what are their characteristics, what exams are descriptive, what exams are multiple choice questions, right? Very good. Now let us come to a very important point. What is the pass criteria? So rule number 1 and rule number 2. Till now you have only one rule. 100 marks exam, get 40 or 35, pass, go. One subject failed, write again, pass, go. But in CA, most important thing you remember, first rule, 40% in all the papers. Second rule, the total should cross 50%. What is the total marks? 400. So, what is the 50% of 400? 200. So, you should achieve both the things. Means and. Don't forget this and. So, let us say one candidate A went for exam, took 40, 40, 40, 40 in all the papers, but he forgot to see rule number 2. He was very happy, jumping, I got all 40, pass, pass. But bechara, what happened? Total is, then he saw this, failed because he did not cross 200. Good. So now let us say one more candidate B went to exam, got the results, saw on the internet, 225 out of 400. Now you tell me, did he pass or fail? Most of you are already telling pass, 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 pass and all, because you are not looking at this rule again. You only looked at this. Oh, since he crossed 225, 200, pass. No, he was afraid of mathematics. He scored only 39. Could not match this rule. So what happened to him? Failed. Failed in what? Maths, sir? No. He failed in everything. Again, he has to write each and every paper. Correct? So that is why at CHAMPS we are going to teach you priorities. How to set my priority to the subjects. That we are going to learn here if you come here. Good? Great. So, oh, this is all fantastic, sir, about foundation and all. How do we do this? That is why we are talking today, right? At CHAMPS, we are making a batch of 45 to 50 students only this time because of the COVID situation. We have to be very, very careful if you are coming to the classroom setup. When the batch starts, somewhere in the May end or first week of June, when everybody's 12th exams are completed. How are we going to learn? What is the unique methodology we follow? We call it as what? C, P, P. Three simple words. C, P, P. C is what? Coaching. You told you are going to join in CA, coaching, because you want to win that. I will teach you every day, but you have to be present in the class. I cannot come and invite and bring you. That seriousness has to be there in you, not me. Okay, sir, I am coming every day, but I will only study later after 2-3 months. That waste, you should go home. Are you practicing every day? Daily 4 classes are held. Are you doing everything perfectly, practicing everything perfectly or not is the question. You eat food every day, right? Like that you have to study every day for the same thing what is taught in the class. Okay, sir, both are done. Presentation is very, very important. Means what? Examination. And for your information, again I am reminding you, we have to play 2 different games, descriptive and MCQ. Means you have to learn 2 games so perfectly that you are playing to win. Not that I'll play and see what happens, I don't know. I don't know also then. So how are we going to do that? When the classes begin at CHAMS, your class timing shall be 10 to 5:30. Every day. 4 classes with a lunch break in between. 1 to 2 is 1 hour rest. Then again 2 classes. Total 4 classes. So that covers coaching. So what is the practice then, sir? Who studies 2 hours before 10 o'clock? Who studies 2 hours after 5:30 will hold the key to success. That's a simple logic. Many people have told you, oh, CA is this, CA that, you should study 16 hours, that. Nobody studies 16 hours, boss. Who told? Those are the people who kept things pending and sleeping. When the exams came, they woke up and started telling 16 hours, 16 hours, 16 hours. Those are fools. Never listen to them. Simple thing. Presentation, okay. When the Sunday comes, 10 to 3, you have exams. Maybe 2, maybe 3 exams. Why? This model is very important. So every 6 days and every 14 days, MCQ, descriptive. Exam pattern will be conducted. You will come to know when you come here and visit us. Right? So this is how things are. So whatever the X date we are going to start, coaching end date always will be 20th October. After that you have 25 days for quick revision, because examination generally will be in November 2nd week. So no need to go this, that, no need to panic. By the time we are reaching here, we ourselves already know who is going to pass, who is going to fail, because why, my friends? You are going to write 40 to 45 different kinds of examination before you go to ICA exam. Am I clear? You will be tested in multiple angles. You will be groomed in multiple angles. Alright, this student is weak, put an extra class for him. This student is doing good, give some additional tough questions for him. Here, everybody's treatment will be different, because we are a student first academy. We are not a faculty first academy. Sir, faculty completed a portion, I don't understand anything. You will never see that here. Those are different people who do that. I would say rather they should run cinema halls, not academies. Yeah, selling ticket, showing cinema, go home. But the point is, who are you? What are you thinking? Are you going to learn or listen? There are 2 categories of people. Sir, I am listening to the class. Oh, great. Are you learning anything? They don't even understand that word. Those cannot be our students. I am being very clear on that. Clear? So, this is how we will approach all the things, and we pass CA foundation, then we become a CA student. So this whole entire story thing, whatever we discussed today, these all things are for becoming a CA student. Because many people get that feeling the moment they enter the form and pay the money. I'm doing CA, I'm doing CA. Oh, you're not doing CA, my friend. The real cinema starts here. That is why I tell you, always keep in your mind, foundation is a swimming pool only. a small swimming pool where you learn swimming, how to move your hands, legs, and then one fine day you start swimming. But CA Inter is, my friends, Arabian Sea. A person just jumping in swimming pool, if he goes to sea and jumps there, imagine what happens. I will leave the thought to you only. Then, what is CA final? We are preparing you for this big picture. Not like, foundation, I like foundation. Yep, I trust I did my best to give the complete clarity about the course structure, the path, what we have taken, and foundation, anatomy of that totally, right? So, if you really would like to part of this wonderful learning experience at CHAMS, as I said, very limited seats are available, 45 to 50 maximum, and the admissions have started. Let me remind you that, right? So, if you are thinking, oh, let exam finish, I will see. Till that time, I don't think we'll have seats. That is how the reputation goes, right? So, if anybody is interested and want to get in touch with us for your information, I'm just writing our toll-free number 1800-419-7272. It's a free number. Anybody can call anytime for any information. Definitely we can talk about that. And also you can note down a WhatsApp number 8125-829 and 829. So these two mode of communications are always open. Feel free to contact students, parents, both of you. And also CHAMS CA Academy. CHAMS CA Academy is on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter. Definitely you will get day-to-day updates, what is happening in the academy, how the other students are doing. Fantastic things you can see there. That gives you more information, definitely. And also, I would say these things are done. Toll-free number I have given, this thing I have done, and Twitter also is given. Right? So, anything else if I am forgetting in this video, I'm not sure. I think most of the things I have addressed everything in a clear manner. Right? So, that's it. That's what I just wanted to communicate with you people. Think clearly, and again I would say entire video you watch to understand things. Okay, so nothing more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like the way we teach or we talk or we do things, please do share with this video with your friends who also are looking to join Chartered Accountants. I don't need more anything that great, and it was really nice addressing you people. Study well, be very conceptually clear, do well in your exams. All the best.